In Western architecture, a living room, also called a lounge room or drawing room, is a room for relaxing and socializing in a residential house or apartment. Such a room is sometimes called a front room when it is near the main entrance at the front of a house. In large, formal homes, a sitting room is often a small private living area adjacent to a bedroom, such as the Queen's sitting room. In the late 19th or early 20th century, Edward Bok advocated using the term living room for the room then commonly called a parlor or drawing room, and is sometimes erroneously credited with inventing the term. It is now a term used more frequently when referring to a space to relax and unwind within a household. Within different parts of the world, living rooms are designed differently and evolving, but all share the same purpose: to gather users in a comfortable space.